can see it. It's literally right here on this box. BH. What you don't see is the photo. So, B&H Photo, I don't even need to explain who they are. I mean, most people, especially people who are interested in tech, likely know unless you live outside of North... Actually, even if you live outside of North America, I'm almost certain you should know what B&H Photo is if you're into smartphones, computers, cameras, etc., and other electronics. Yeah, you should have a good idea about who they are and what they do. And as you see, we have this plastic here. Is this loud? Yeah, it's loud. And now here is the goodie. This is the Seagate Backup Plus portable 5 terabytes. And as you can see, this is a light blue one because they released a new version. There's one that's like red and white. I think there's a black and white one, and I got blue and white. I was kind of thinking about getting red and white maybe next year. So now if you can recall from my past unboxings with these, you might be like, don't you already have a 4 terabytes and 2 terabyte version? And yes, you're correct. I do. But honestly, when you're making lots of content and lots of 4K videos or whatever, it's really hard on your computer. So you need these things to keep your files organized accordingly. Hopefully I can actually get into this. Oh, this looks... No, it's not USB-C or anything like that. Still, I believe USB-B. Yeah, it looks like USB-B. So here you have your books and stuff. You have the various languages. And is there anything important here? No. Just USB 3 and USB 2. Oh no, it's actually USB-A. You hear that, guys? That's a phone call. I better answer it. Alright, I am back. So, this, let's throw that off to the side. Throw off this pot to the side. And you can even see the reflection here too, so that's pretty cool. Actually, this is reflective, I didn't know that. I was under the impression that this wasn't shiny and reflective, but it is, so it's pretty cool. Is there any interesting information? No, I can't even. So this one is also assembled in Thailand, like the 4 terabyte version, it looks like. I'm still getting notifications in the background. Man, don't people know that I'm trying to do a video or something? Like, anyways. Okay, let's open this now. Oh, this is gorgeous, man. Look at this. It feels like it's made of metal. Okay, maybe not. Maybe it's just... I like it. Let me get a close-up. Maybe take my light and shine it over here. No, that's creating way too much glare now doing that, but at least you can really see the details now. You can see this focuses. Yeah, now you can see everything super clearly, without a doubt. And there's the port, USB-A. Not something you see terribly often. Okay, so what else did I want to do? Yes, I wanted to showcase this for a little bit. I know there's not really too much to it, but hey. So this is also white. I'm a fan of the white accents of this new 2019 design because the other ones are in black. And yes, I'm going to show them to you. So I have this one here in red. Then I have this one. Okay, I need to take some of this stuff off of the desk. Then take this bottle off. Alright. It's a shame I don't see these Bureau Gear cases on Amazon anymore. They must have sold out. Made out of business or something, I don't know. So this is the red one. And this is 2 terabytes. I don't know if you're going to see it easily here. Yes, you can see that. That's red. And now I'm going to show you the blue one. The one that's blue and black, I should say. Actually, let's do a thickness test. How does 4 terabytes compare to... They're about the same almost, actually. I don't know if it's really easy to... Actually, yeah, you can see it. I mean, it's very slight, but you can tell that the 5 terabytes is thicker, as you would naturally expect. Because, I mean, you wouldn't want something like this to be too thin, because normally when products like this are too thin, it probably means they're going to sacrifice reliability. I don't know. I'm not an expert. I'm not saying that's going to be the case. But yeah, you can see that. So that's that. So here they are all lined up. Wait. Well, that's interesting. How come this is there and when these have these here? And yes, I both of them lined up with their ports showing, so I'm not sure why they moved the logo in a different place. So that's what they look like with their ports. You shine the light over them so it's easier to see it. No, that's creating some glare. But yeah. Now we can compare the undersides. So the newer model, it doesn't have the Seagate swirl. I would not say it's a deal breaker, but at the same time, it was a really nice touch. I'm a fan of the white and the color as opposed to the black, but to each their own. I prefer white over the shade black. Some people, they're all about the matte black and whatever, jet black. But for me, there's just something majestic and peaceful about white. Now, I really don't think there's anything else I need to tell you at this point, because I'll tell you some different manufacturers. No, actually, different manufacturers. Different vendors, rather. I got this one from Amazon back in 2016. I don't remember the exact year I got this one, but I do remember that I got it from Best Buy. And then I got this one from B&H Photo. So where will I get the 5 terabytes red version? Well, I'm not sure. I did initially think about getting one from Amazon. Who knows? All I can say is so far these two have held up very well, so I'm glad. I just hope that this newer one will also be reliable and hold up. And no, they're not super fast, so if you're expecting something super fast, you will have to look elsewhere, but they do the job and they are reliable. So if you want one, go to Amazon, Best Buy, B&H Photo, or whoever else has them, but just make sure they're genuine. Because if they're not genuine, then you will run into all sorts of problems and you will have corrupted files. This may sound like common sense, but really, even when you think something is common sense, sometimes mistakes can still happen despite a certain thing being expected to be common sense. All right, now I think that's been enough chatter, so I will put these back in. No, you do not have to watch me put them back in at this point. You're welcome to just scamper off, because I'm going to also showcase my tofu pouch as I put in the newer hard drive. So, actually, while I'm doing this, perhaps I can actually talk about something else. And that is, what exactly do I plan to do with this one? Like, why did I get this one? Well, the reason being that is, actually I already mentioned, it is because I needed more stuff for my videos, because my other files, my other videos and whatever, they were just, it just did not cut it. Okay, so, wait, I made a mistake here. I put this blue one in the red when the blue was supposed to be in blue. LOL. LOL. Wow, I bet some of you that were watching this must have been like, what are you doing? I don't think it would be a big deal anyways, because it's not like, okay, they have different parts. Although I'm curious as to what would happen if I put this in this. Actually, oh yeah, let's do that. Let's see if it fits. No, I'm not going to plug it into the computer right now because I actually move my computer on the floor. Maybe you can't tell, maybe you can. But normally it's supposed to be around here, but yesterday I actually screwed some stuff off of my desk so I could get more space. Did I just hear something crack? That did not sound good. Okay, let's try this again. Let's insert this carefully. So with this, you have to penetrate it gently, or if you go too rough, something could break inside. So be careful when penetrating your electronics. Okay, there we go. So yes, it fits. Now my phone is giving me a battery saving warner, so I will charge him soon. Would you look at that? That looks nicer than the black, honestly. Yes, I know, I'm being biased. Some people would say, no, this looks far nicer. Well, I'll hold them up together. Your opinion. And boy, is it snug. Would you look at this? Wow. At least you don't have to worry about it just popping onto the computer easy. Not that that could be a problem, but hey, if in case you're worried about that, well, guess what? You do not need to be worried about that. Because these things are snug. Now, that's not to say that this one isn't snug. In fact, let me actually pop this into here, see how well this fits. Okay, so they're all snug. I was just being silly, thinking that this one is ultra snug because it's new. Alright, and now I'll grab my tofu case. Now, ideally, I wanted a sturdy case. This is kind of on the soft side, so I don't know. I mean, for now, I'll use this until I get something better. I really wanted a beer gear case. Oh, actually, any hard shell case would be fine with me. I was looking into some, so hey, at least this fits nicely though. Again, I'm not too worried about, well, I should say I am worried about this case because it's so, then again, I'm not talking, I'm going to be shaking it and I'm going to be running up and down and going up the hills and through the coast and whatever with it, so it should be fine. Alright, now the set is looking good. Now for funny giggles, maybe I'll just throw my hand warmer in this, why not? Yeah, make this extra, look at that light. That looks so cool. Okay, you know, I'm not going to be a troll and blind you guys, let me take it out. Put him back over here to make the setup brighter. Now, over here you can see that there's some holes left in the desk, that's why I had some dice on the desk. I'm pretty sure people don't care too much about it, and you probably wouldn't even know until I pointed it out. And if you do notice, you've been watching this video for way too long, so give yourself a pat on the back for having a long attention span, because seriously, I feel that these days, too many people just don't have a long attention span. So if you made it at this point in the video, thank you. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.